Yeah, hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel UPSC Study Circle. So in this video we can learn about Article 13. Article 13 is about judicial review and the overall Article 13 is from fundamental rights. So in the Indian Constitution, fundamental rights in the Article 13 is about judicial review. So, what is judicial review and why it is enacted and when to use we can learn in this video. And in the previous video, we already saw about Article 12, the definition of state, and we understood briefly. So, same thing manner in the Article 13 also you can learn easily. So, Article 13 is about judicial review. So the definition of the Article 13 is empowers the Supreme Court and High Courts of India to declare laws and executive orders unconstitutional if they violate fundamental rights. Then that time only judicial review will come. Judicial review is nothing but in a court, for example, Supreme Court or High Court gave the final decision. So if the decision is correct or wrong, if the wrong, then that time Article 13 judicial review will come to the force. So text of Article 13: all laws inconsistent with or derogation of fundamental rights shall be void. This includes laws passed by the legislature, executive orders, rules, regulation, and ordinance, etc. The power of the judicial review is conferred only for fundamental rights. Article 12 to 35. Article 12 to 35 is from fundamental rights only. Note this point. And Article 13 includes all laws in force before the commencement of the Constitution, unless that law is inconsistent with protection under Part 3. So the tagline is, if any law violates fundamental rights, it is unconstitutional, void, and inapplicable. So scope of the term of law. So legislative law, central and state laws, and ordinance and rules and regulations and executive orders and bylaws, notifications, customs and usages. Doctrine of eclipse, here this is a very important doctrine of eclipse. Laws inconsistent with fundamental rights are not outright void but become inoperative as long as inconsistency exists. So judicial review applies to statutory and non-statutory laws. Note this point: statutory bodies and non-statutory bodies. I will explain soon in further videos. So, what is the judicial review? In Article 13 does not apply to constitutional amendment. Golaknath case 1967. Actually, in the 1967 Golaknath case was happened. At that time, Article 13 was not applicable because of some amendments is there. After that, they have modified. So, wrote of schedule of constitution exempt judicial review and the right to property is repealed. Repealed means we have removed that right to property article in the Indian constitution uh, because fundamental rights are different. By mistakenly they have mentioned right to property also. That's why they have removed. And Article 13 does not apply to the constitutional amendments. Constitutional amendments is nothing but modifying the constitutional rules and regulations. That's it. And also you can see the judicial review can happen only when the fundamental right is violated. So here are some cases are there. These are two cases. One is from Kerala and one is from Tamil Nadu. So in the 1973, one case is happened, Keshavananda Bharati case versus State of Kerala. Judicial review is a part of the basic structure of the Indian Constitution. It is about the Keshavananda Bharati case. And one more case is happened in 2017 in Tamil Nadu, IRCLO versus State of Tamil Nadu. Third schedule laws can be revision if they violate the fundamental rights. Based on this point, they have raised the case in 2007. So overall, this is the Article 13 judicial review. Overall, you understood, guys. Simple definition is, if any law violates fundamental rights, it is unconstitutional, void, and inapplicable, then that time judicial review will come. Simple. Supreme Court and High Courts of India to declare laws and executive orders unconstitutionally if they violate fundamental rights, then Article 13 will come to the force, judicial review. So I hope you understand. This is Article 13 of judicial review, and upcoming video is about right to equality, Article 14. I will upload video that also. So please learn and enjoy. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.